Hello students, welcome back once again in English grammar class. This is the second video of this topic. In the first video, I have discussed about the definition of sentences, that a sentence is a group of words that makes sense. It expresses a complete thought, a complete meaning. And a sentence always begins with a capital letter and ends with an appropriate terminal punctuation mark. And we have also come to know that a sentence has at least one subject and one verb. Then we have discussed about the types of sentences on the basis of function or meaning. So basically there are four different types of sentences: declarative sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence and exclamatory sentence. So now today let's see one by one the explanation or the meaning of each kinds of sentences. The first kind of sentence is declarative sentence. It is also known as an assertive sentence. A declarative sentence makes a statement and it is punctuated by a period. What is period? Period is another name for full stop. So we can say that a declarative sentence states a fact or a statement and it ends with a full stop. Let's see few examples where you will come to know how to identify declarative sentence. The concert begins in 2 hours. So as you can see here in this sentence, it is expressing you a statement and it is also punctuated by a full stop or a period. Green is my favorite color. Addis Ababa is the capital city of Ethiopia. I love my country. Dr. Abegas is the founder of Cardiac Center. True love never fades with time. So in all these examples, as you can observe that it ended with a full stop or it is punctuated by a period, and these all sentences are making a statement. So they are called declarative sentence. You can also call it as an assertive sentence. The another kind of sentence is interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence asks a question. It ends in a question mark. An indirect question ends with a period. There are 4 different types of interrogative sentences. WH questions means the sentences which starts with, or an interrogative sentences which starts with WH words like what, when, where, how, why. These all are WH question words. Yes or no questions where the sentence starts with is, am or are. Then alternative questions and tag questions. Let's see it with examples. Yes no types of questions like are you a nurse? So you can answer this question in this way: yes, I am a nurse, or no, I am not a nurse. WH questions: who are you? Okay, so you can answer it like I am a student, I am a boy. Alternative questions: is this room yours or kibitz? Means here there is an alternative. So you can answer in this way that this room is mine or this is Kabir's room. So this way you can answer these types of questions. So there are basically 3 different types of interrogative sentence. The next kind of sentence is imperative sentence. An imperative sentence gives an order or makes a polite request. Imperatives can also express good wish. It ends with a period or exclamation mark. How will you write an exclamation marks? It can be written in like inverted I. Let's see example. Please lower your voice. It's a request because here the word used is please. Meet me at the town square. It's a simple expressions which gives an order. Would you come? Would you close the door please? Again, this is a request. Eat your lunch. Have a good time at the picnic. May you live long. So, may you live long is a wish. So, that's why we have used exclamation sentence at the end of it, right? So, these all sentences are known as imperative sentences, and in these sentences you can find that in some sentences the subject is hidden, but it doesn't mean that there is no subject. Yes, of course there is a subject, but it is not visible. But as you can notice that verb in each of these sentences are present and are clearly visible to us. Now let's see the last kind of sentence, that is exclamatory sentence. What are an exclamatory sentence? An exclamatory sentence expresses strong feelings, great emotion or excitement. It ends with exclamation mark. For example, wow, that is great news. The river is rising. The house is on fire. Oh, what a great job. What an interesting story. So in these all sentences you will find that it expresses some strong emotions or some type of excitement, and these sentences end with exclamation mark. So they are known as exclamatory sentences. Now what you need to do, you need to identify these sentences. Okay, what is the type of this sentence? What kind of candy do you like? Wow, you did great. I love to watch old movies. Go and bring me some paper. Now let's see. I guess you have already ready with your answer. Yes, and here are the answers of these exercise. What kind of candy do you like? So it is an interrogative sentence. As you can see, it is started with WH word and ended with question mark, and this sentence is also asking a question. Wow, you did great. So this sentence expresses a sudden excitement, right? So it is an exclamatory sentence. Then, I love to watch old movies. This sentence expresses or it states a statement. So you can call it as a declarative sentence, and it also ends with a period, means a full stop. Go and bring me some paper. So here in this sentence you will find that it is an order which is given to somebody, right? So it is called an imperative sentence. I hope the students you have understood the all four different kinds of sentences which are based on their function. Now I have an exercise for you which you can do it in your assignment. You have to tell me what type of sentences they are. What a silly man. You look so beautiful. 2 of my students were absent today. Our maths teacher is tall. Watch carefully for pirate ships on the horizon. The train leaves tomorrow at noon. Have you brushed your teeth today? Stop talking so loudly. Shut the door, please. The train left an hour ago. How old is your daughter? Do not open the presents until the morning. Now you have to write down it in your fair copy and tell me what type of sentences are they. Till then, revise this video once again to learn about the definition of kinds of sentences and take care.